Finally, a sunny day. It's now April 4th, and we got to get these guys back out to the aviary. So big aviary, still going the way it is. But the news for today is that the babies are outside. Hi! So this one right here, this one is Stella. Stella bird. Good job, Stella. And then right behind Stella is Luna. Luna. There's Luna. And then we managed to get up the new aviary today, kind of like makeshift, a little bit of cover there. But in this case, we have Chloe and Bo in here together. Let's see if they get along here as Bo approaches food. Good girl, Chloe. So we got this cage, this aviary here has been donated by Jennifer Hessel. This one was donated by Erica Ospina. And the big one back there was donated by Ron Jellum. And then Bob Dawson actually came out here and helped put up the big one. We still have one more aviary to put up, so I moved this cage out of the way, got rid of it. And we're going to be putting it right here. And then there's that aviary. And that's one I've had for a while. It was actually the very first one I ever had. And I tore it down when we got the big one. Now I'm going to put it here. So that way, if we have birds that don't get along, we have more space. You can also put another space in for the rabbit to be out, because this is wired down on the bottom, and this one will be wired down too. Whereas these aviaries are not wired down, so I can't put a rabbit in there. She'll dig out. Or creatures will dig in. So it's just laying on the ground straight. What do you think? Are you gonna let him eat? Let's find out. So we have some fresh apple branch in here. Some bamboo branch that they can play with. So let's see what they do. Hi, Sunny. Hi, Echo. Looks like Jesse's going for a feeding station there. This way the babies can have some exposure with the adults or the macaws and vice versa without necessarily having to directly interact or get harmed or be fearful. They can get accustomed to things outside. Get some sunshine. And then Cassie prefers her own little place. So, I mean, she is old after all, so she gets cranky and stuff. But that's her favorite bathing dish, so you have to put that in there right away. And of course, some food in there for her too. So for right now, she prefers to be away from everybody else and in her own space. So that's what we put her for now. As we work on constantly re-looking, remodeling, rethinking as this whole thing progresses. You guys look good. Got some happy rubbing beaks going on. Good boy, Zilla.